Alright, now I'm going to show you how to do a self-clean on this LG washing machine. Step 1, as you can see, there is mold that contain the drum. Looks clean to me, but the mold thing, it's pretty bad. Here's a little trick. Okay. First thing I'm going to do the self-cleaning process, to close the door and make sure the drum is indicating. What that means is basically testing the drum before we get the mold off. So we need to how to put your LG washing machine to test mode and self-clean mode. 2 modes in one. As you can see, there's temp, spin, soil, and signal. The signal button is for the sound, for the when you turn on and off the washer. So I'm going to show you the test mode. Go from button 1 to button 4. So you hold the second and third button while turning the power button on. Just like this. There you go. It tests the lock feature on this. So, no clothes required in the washing machine in self-clean and test mode, because it can damage the thing. So, first thing we're going to do is we're going to hit start once, start twice. Okay, so the drum is spinning at 50 RPM. Pretty decent. Okay, we let that spin and make sure that as you can see now, it's spinning anti-clockwise. It's spinning the opposite direction. So spinning clockwise now. Done. That's it. So before to start the self-cleaning process, step 1 is to put, there's some water in here. We're going to put a little bit of detergent in here with the self-clean, so that way it can remove mold. I'm going to do this for a sec, so when you put the detergent in, step 2, turn on the washing machine. Make sure that no clothes are required in the washing machine. That can damage the washer. So, turn it on just like this and set it to top clean. No modes are included. And TCL means top clean. So then you just want to hit start. Now it's gonna okay. It showed 1.5. That's perfect, guys. Step 1, no clothes including the wash. Step 2, make sure detergent is in. Step 3, make sure you have it on the setting. And step 4, make sure that everything is ready before you include it. So let me do the checks. Yes. Yeah. Good. Let's watch this do its job for a bit. As you can see, soap is applying. It's putting the water in, as you can see, the drum. Now it shows an hour and 26. As you can see, guys, the washing machine has begun its process. Time showing hour and 26 to go. Basically, the machine is cleaning the mold. As you can see right now, it's doing a perfect job. Right now, so I'm very, very good for that. Now, these cycles take long. So we just wait. These are not like the Samsungs. It does it more faster. Samsung, it takes 4 hours and 1 minute to do the self-clean process. This is even better because the time is an hour and 25 minutes. That's perfect. Putting in some salt water. And a little bit of soap in. Alright. So, the temp is not door, the spin and soil. So it's going to do these 3 cycles with the time remaining an hour and 25. Here is the drum. Right now, it's doing the self-cleaning cycle. This is the dryer I showed in the previous video. So, it's taking an hour and 24 minutes to go, which is going to be a little boring. I'll keep doing updates. This washing machine is more quieter than the Samsungs because the Samsungs do that kind of speed that contains the washing machine. And you can see now it's showing an hour 23 plus the Chubb Clean is the best feature. This is required every month. I'm going to show you guys this self-clean full cycle. 9 minutes in the video and there's an hour and 23 to go. See some So, none of these selections can be improved with the self-clean. This is a long procedure. And see, the dryer has a little filter. You gotta clean. Now you have to clean every use, as you can see. 121. You see the drum inside, cleaning the drum and the washing machine. There's the time. So just let it run. And those of you guys are saying if it's in 1 minute and 21 seconds or 1 hour and 20 minutes, it is 1 hour and 20 minutes. It doesn't just be like, done. Like, come on. I'll give you guys an update next time after the self-clean is done. Hour and 20. It's been 9 minutes. So yeah. It takes a little break as well. $119. Alright guys, we'll catch you guys later. Thank you guys for watching and hope you guys like it.